Hey guys, this is TravellinGeek and today I'm going to talk about a very special deal I got in this big billion day of 2022 from the Flipkart. And as you can see, this is a microphone. It's a USB condenser microphone with a boom arm set, and the company is Maono, and the model number is PM461S. Now there was a bit confusion about this product because on a Flipkart page it was the showing this entire set, but in the detail space they were showing that only microphone and USB cable is given along with a small tripod stand. But I still ordered it because majority of the customers said that this microphone is actually coming with this full set. So it was a gamble, but I think that gamble that gamble played pretty well. And right now I have here is this complete set, and you won't believe at what price I got this I got it for just 994. Yeah, the deal price was 999, and I paid 5 super coins and 994 in the currency. So 994 plus 5 super coins, the actual price was 999. So I'm just going to show you a quick unboxing here what exactly is inside, because people who are want to purchase this boom arm and this entire microphone set might be confused at what exactly is inside. So this as you can see, this was a open box and there was no seal here, and this actually came in this bigger Flipkart box. I know it's pretty big, and this was the Flipkart box in which this box came. So here you can see they have a good, the entire package is neatly protected with this foams. Inside you see a small user manual which has all the information which is needed to how to assemble this, and how you to connect and how exactly to speak on it. All the required information is over here, and this is available in English as well as Chinese and Dutch. So I think that's Deutsch, not the Dutch. So this is the bill I was talking about, and you can see that the price I paid is just 994. So this is the boom arm which you get, and this is really built, this is really made well. This is a metallic arm. All this part, everything is metal, and as you can see, this is a new piece. This is not like a reused or written piece. No scratch marks anywhere. Even these knobs, these controlling knobs are in all these things is in metal only. They also provide you a specific USB cable which is needed for this microphone to work. This part connects to the microphone, and this part connects to the PC or laptop, anything you have. This is also compatible with Mac and Windows PC. So here is a microphone. This microphone is very lightweight, and this is made of plastic and no more the metal. This mesh is in metal. This is having the cardioid pattern. They are also given this controlling knob over here, which is like minus to this is the middle point, and this is for the plus. So you can control the gain. So here this specific cable connects. So this is how it gets connected. Okay, so we will just check the next part. This is the part which actually gets attached to your table, and it's this is pretty well built. This is also in metal. This is plastic, and this tightening knob is also in metal, and this gets connected to this boom arm. Very well built quality, I can say, for this price point, because the whole set generally they sell it for something like 2.5K to 3K or 3.5K. Right now in this current sale it is going on for something 2,100, but I really got this fantastic deal. This is your pop filter. This is also a metallic one, and finally this specific this is the thing which will hold your mic. It will hold like this. This is completely built in plastic. This is not a metal part. but it's okay and very well packaged. You can see even some silica gel is there, and this is something for your warranty. Keep watch on the specific deal, because there is a chance that you may get this product again in a similar price. The price was 999 and I paid 994 plus the 5 super coins. Thanks for watching this quick unboxing of Maono USB microphone boom arm set. The model number is PM461S. This is Traveling Geek. I'm signing off. See you in the next video.